Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up Packeteer OS notifications. These notifications are a great way to stay informed about your PacketPal product status and to make sure you're always online maximizing your Wi-Fi sharing and packet mining income. Let's get started. Head over to your Packeteer OS dashboard at my.packetpal.com. From there, click on the Settings tab. Scroll down until you see the Notifications section. Click the toggle to turn on your SMS messages in the event your PacketPal product goes offline for more than 24 hours. And that's it. To ensure that you receive all of our emails, make sure to add Rowdy at packetpal.com to your address book. This will prevent our emails from getting caught in your spam filter. We understand how important it is for you to keep your PacketPal product online and earning money consistently. With SMS notifications turned on, you'll have one more way to ensure that you're always mining. Thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Rowdy at packetpal.com.